Hey, welcome back to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today we're going to make some smoked mac and cheese with green chili. And for the cheese, I'm going to use some cheese that I smoked about 4 weeks ago. Pepper jack, mild cheddar, and Monterey Jack. Here's my pepper jack, mild cheddar, and Monterey Jack. We're going to use some large elbow macaroni today, and we're going to cook it with the instructions the package says to al. All kinds of cheese sauces before attempting this task, and the best one I found and most interesting was one that Malcolm Reed did with mayonnaise and sour cream in it, so that's what we went with, and we added some green chili. Okay, so I realize not everybody has roasted peeled green chilies, but if you live in New Mexico, you better have a freezer full to help you make it through the winter. Otherwise, you might as well just move up to Colorado. Here they are peeled. We'll get them diced up, and yeah, that was a little jab to the folks up north of here in Colorado that think they have the best green chilies. Smoker at 250. Looks like it's running at 260 right now. Put the mac and cheese on here. Put it over on the side near the stack. Get maximum smokage. I had a few buffalo wings left over. We're gonna get those on here too. We're gonna do them at 250 this time and let them get some smoke. So we'll check back in about an hour. Okay, probably go about 2 hours in. That's looking pretty darn good. Smoke on top. I'm gonna spin it around here and then let it go for about maybe 15 more minutes. Call it good. Okay, we are delicious. 1 hour and 15 minutes in. That looks incredible. So we're going to take that off and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll